Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to convert a Word file into a PDF on your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, download the Microsoft 365 Office app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Once you launch the app on your mobile screen, to convert a Word file to PDF, from the bottom menu, tap on Apps. From this page, tap on PDF Tools. As we want to convert a Word file into a PDF, select the Document to PDF tool. Browse your mobile media to find the file. Select the file location and select it to convert into a PDF. Once you select the file, within a few moments, the file will be converted into PDF. And that's it. Now if you want to save this PDF file, from the bottom menu, click on the More option, and from this new page, tap on Save As. Type the file name and then tap on Save. This is how you can convert a Word file into a PDF on your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.